YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is T Justin from tjustin.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Refine Age tool and the color range in Adobe Photoshop. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please I will urge you to do so, because this will be the perfect and the right time for you to subscribe to my channel, and that will enable me do a lot of interesting videos. Now this picture is a picture of my friend. He's a gospel artist. His name is Kizito, and you can find him on Twitter as Kizito the Praise Minister, likewise Instagram and Facebook. It was shot by a photographer in Nigeria known as Ricardo Image. I'm going to be using his picture to show you how to use color range, and from there we proceed to the Refine Age slide bar. So without further ado, let's jump in. Now here we are in the mysterious world of Photoshop. Why I talked about color range is simply to let you know that you can use the color range tool to make a selection around every color you think of, and it's always found around here. Once you go to select, you come down to your color range and you discover that it will appear like this. Now this shows you that any color you pick, it displays here on your display bar. Now this is a good example of what I'm saying. Now this it has picked colors that have to do with what is on his face. If you go down to his shirt, and you can, yeah, this is a good selection. This I love this right here, and this is his innerwear, and you can see it. So this is how color range works. It's more like a magic wand tool. It's more like a selection tool, but it goes with colors. And the good thing about it here is that you can select more than one color by simply holding shift and going round the edge of your image. Boom. So you can see we have created a very nice selection, and you can play with fuzziness. And fuzziness simply means the strength of the feather. Just think of it as a feather. Yeah, just think of the strength as your feathering, as it dissolves into the color you are selecting. So you can see. And if I turn down my fuzziness, you can see that this is a bad selection, but with this is a good selection. So this is how color range works. It's a selection tool which works with color. It picks a color and run a selection on it, just like the magic wand tool and the quick selection tool. So since we have gotten our selection done the way we wanted, we will quickly hit the OK button. Boom, and you can see that our selection is very nice, but we still have some particles around here. And the good thing about selection tools, all the selection tools in Adobe, is you can switch from this to this. We started from color range, and we can now add the remaining colors with either quick selection tool or even the magic wand tool, but I prefer the quick selection tool. So we can go over again and just pick it up. But with good application of your fuzziness, you won't have to have this kind of edges. So take your time and work on your fuzziness. So this is good. I will continue using stuff like this. So just take your time to get a perfect and accurate result. You can see down below. Good. Take our time to, we don't need to worry about this. The Refine Age tool will tackle this one for us. So let's just quickly go towards the edges of the picture. Yes, I think we're good now. So there are two ways to mask your background. You either work destructively, which means you delete it, or non-destructively, or you use the layer mask on it, and the layer mask is right down here. Once you click this, it's gonna mask a particular part, and for now it's gonna be masking our background, because what we selected is the background and not the main object. So once you hit the layer mask, you will discover that the main image has gone, left alone the background. So you can either reverse it or inverse. I think reverse inverse should be the best word here. So you can inverse it by simply holding Control I on Mac and Command I on Command Control I on Windows and Command I on Mac. So this is how you inverse the selection. So now that we have our selection inversed, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're gonna be applying the layer mask. And how do we do that? We're going to be applying the refine edge tool. And how do we do that? We will simply right click here on the layer mask and just hit the refine edge mask. And I love this tool so very well because let me quickly zoom here so that you understand what I'm talking about. I love it because with few clicks you will achieve outstanding results. So these are the sliders I'm talking about. This guy's down here. Now, why I wasn't worried about the other part of the picture, like places like here, is simply because we have the shift edge slider, which can easily, yes, you can see we're doing a good job there. Boom. And to make it even more interesting, we can add feathering to it because nothing, oh, this is so lovely. With few clicks, you get good results. And the next one is the contrast. You need contrast because nothing natural is always as sharp as it was before. So this contrast has to be applied to get a perfect edge. So this is the aspect. There's more to this aspect. I will explore this in my next tutorial. I will show you how to pick strands of hairs with this particular tool. It's a very powerful tool, and I think every one of us need to explore this. So this is how it works. Now, if the result is okay, which mine I think is okay, you're gonna hit OK to accept what you just applied to the picture. So you can see with few clicks we are able to get a very good edge and a very quick selection around our image. So this is how you work with color range. You use color range to make us to lay a selection around your image irrespective of whatever color it is. It works, and you can pick as many color as you can with simply holding shift and going round about the image with your color picker. Then later you can apply the refine edge tool, which we just applied to just get a perfect edge, a perfect or a feathery edge to our image, which gives it a more realistic look. So this is how you work with color range and refined edge tool in Photoshop. I will be doing another tutorial on how to pick strands of hair with this same refined edge tool. So stay glued to my channel and please like this video and comment. If you have problem on this video, watch it over and over again, or if you still don't understand it, you can put down your comment right down below and I will do a video that will be more clearer. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also follow me on Twitter as TJustin and TJustin1 on Instagram. I'll follow back and keep creating more. Hope to see you soon. One love.